Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today we are doing a review slash unboxing of some bathing suits that I got for the first time from Dolly Swimwear. I have been wanting to order them for quite some time. They are handmade bathing suits. Yes, handmade bathing suits. I got 3 of their bathing suits because it's currently spooky season and I couldn't not because they're seasonal bathing suits right now. So I ended up getting 3 of them. I ended up getting the coffin print one piece in a small, the Spiderweb print high-waisted bikini in a small, and the Spiderweb high-waisted bikini in a green. So it's a Spiderweb one. Yeah, Spiderweb one in the black and Spiderweb one in a green. yes. So since they are handmade, just know they do cost a little bit, of course, but worth it. They are designs that I haven't seen, and I love supporting small businesses. So let's go ahead and open this up. Look at this cute packaging to start. Super adorable. So we will go ahead and open this baby up. All right, let's do it. So it looks like they actually use like bikini like stretch on this, which is super cute. Amazing way to use scrap fabric. It comes with their business card. That comes with a really cute picture on it, and then they has a code, their Instagram, and their email in case we need to contact, and their website. This is the owner. She is adorable. So a little picture of the owner with another code on the back as well. And now to open the package. All right, let's do it. I love that it's in tissue paper. All right. So I did also pay for them to add padding into all of my bathing suits because their bathing suits do not come with padding. I am so excited about this. I have not bought new bathing suits in quite some time, and I did end up gaining a lot of weight. I had to buy bigger bathing suits, and then I had bathing suits from like high school that I was still wearing, and I just didn't have spooky bathing suits. I love high-waisted things, so I'm so excited about this. So the first one is this green one, and I am gonna try them on, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love it. The padding is not too intense. The fabric is beautiful. I love how high-waisted it is. The stitching is awesome. Then we got the top. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely like hand taken care of here. Like wow, I could see all of the amazing craftsmanship. There's the first one. This is the one piece, which I love one pieces. This little coffin's on there. And I love that it like is full coverage on the booty. I'm all about that full coverage. I also ordered padding on the inside of this one. Gorgeous. And then we got our Spiderweb. Also a high-waisted, but black on the back here. And then we have our top for that one, which is different because it's adjustable on the straps, which I really like. And it looks like it's gonna fit my big boobs. I am very excited. I am a 32F, also known as the 32 triple D. So I always have trouble when I buy things that are like one size, right? Like a small and a small. So I'm really excited to see how these try on. Let's go ahead and try these on now. Alright, so as y'all saw, this is the first one. I absolutely love this one. This one is, and let me put on the Hot Gold Summer Shades. This one is the Spiderweb HW Bikini in green small. Absolutely love it. It was $79. But like I said, it is handmade. I already explained I have a larger chest and my boobs fit perfectly. This adjusts as well. And then this is all full coverage. I absolutely love it. It goes by like the 1950s pinup style of just coverage, which I absolutely love. So I give it a yes, a 10 out of 10. I love how it makes my body look and I love it. I absolutely love it. The construction is absolutely amazing. All right, let's move on to bathing suit number 2. All right, this is the one piece. This is called the Coppin Print one piece. I got this one in a small. I think it's absolutely adorable. Fits really nicely, and it fits my breasts super nicely as well. Makes them look really good. I really enjoy the full coverage in the back, full coverage in the front. I'm just all about that full coverage. I feel more comfortable that way. I feel like it really accentuates the curves really well here. And just the top is really nice as well. Just overall. You can adjust this as well. It comes with a strap back here that's adjustable. I absolutely love it. And this one was $88, and that's American. So this is the last one. This was just the regular Spiderweb. Out of this one, so the straps are a little thin for me. I'd be a little concerned that they would snap easily just because they're a little thin. I do like that they're adjustable though. That's really nice. The shape consistency still stands, you know, has a really nice shape. The top is also a really nice shape. I really like the pattern. I think it would have been really nice like if it went all over. But overall, like, this is a really nice one. Like I said, the only thing I'd be concerned is about the straps because they are a bit thin and I do have to tighten it up a little bit so I can, you know, have that lift. But a small does fit my breast size, and then the small bottom of course fits me as well. So yeah. Alright everyone, so that is the end of my red Dolly Swimwear unboxing / review. I hope you enjoyed that video, and go ahead and check them out. They are a small business. Like I said, they are handmade. Their bathing suits are awesome. My favorite one has got to be the green one. My second favorite is a hard choice, but green beats it. So worth it. Absolutely love it. Check out their social medias. I will go ahead and put that in the description below. And yeah, go ahead and check them out. Get ready for that spring. Or if you live in Texas and it's like hot most of the year, might as well just go get one, right? Because I live in Texas and I'm like, well, I could use these like any time of the year except for like the 1 month that it gets cold. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!